We're at 6640 Tidal Bay. This is in Milton off of Garcon Point Road. Entering into the front door here, to our right we have our entrance from our two-car garage, and then our laundry room. Washer and dryer units are included. Turning to the left, we have our great room. We have nice tall ceilings, open to the kitchen, which has bar top seating. French doors go out to our backyard. Majority of this home is tile flooring, so it makes for great easy cleaning for kids and pets. And then here is our kitchen. We have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Now this is also a split floor plan, so we have the master suite on one side of the home and the guest bedrooms on another. So first we have our master suite. We have tray ceilings in here. Double window looking into our backyard. We do have an attached ensuite here as well. So we have a double sink vanity, and then to the right we have our tub shower combo, and then we have our private water closet. And then directly on the other side we have our huge walk-in closet. So here is that closet space. Wraps all the way around. Coming back out, here is that master suite again. Continuing on, now we're going to cross to the other side of the home. So walking back through the living area. We'll take a right. This is bedroom number 2, so this sits on the back side of the home. We have a TV already in place here. And then we have our closet space as well. Again, tile flooring in this bedroom as well. Moving on, we'll walk a little bit further down the hallway, and here is bedroom number 3. This bedroom has laminate flooring, sits on the left side of the home. It has a good sized closet space as well. Next up, we have bathroom number 2. Nice big vanity here, and then we have our tub shower combo towards the back. Coming back out, here is bedroom number 4. This sits on the front side of the home. This could be an office space, a nursery, storage, or a guest bedroom. Now we'll take you to the backyard. So we're going back down the hallway, back to our living room, and we'll exit out of our French doors here. We have a little bit of a deck here for the patio space, and then we have this very good sized yard. No backside neighbors. There will never be any neighbors back behind here. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 6640 Tidal Bay, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.